All right, this is the Dyson Purifier Big+Quiet Formaldehyde right here. It can shoot air for up to 32 feet across the room right here, all its glory. It's quite sizable. This is my hand, and this is the purifier right here. Comes with looks like a remote. Has remote settings right here. Turn it on by pressing power. You see right here, it actually goes on right here. Press power, turn on, and then you have the fan speed. You can adjust the fan speed and the actual direction of the blower. You can have it go from 0 degrees, 25, 50, and it adjusts where it is projecting the air. Here is a sleep mode. So sleep makes it quiet, gentle, but still operating. There's a timer mode. You can have it go off an hour, 2 hours, 8 hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours, and off. This information button right here. So right here it's showing parts per million, or I'm not exactly sure what this is showing, but this is giving information. I believe NO stands for nitrogen oxide. Maybe it's detecting what it is in the room. Gives you the temperature, it gives you the humidity, and right there shows you how to actually take off and replace the filter or clean the filter right there. Let's see. It's a lot of different features, and to go ahead and turn it off, you just simply press the power button and you turn off the power button. This is the Dyson Purifier Big+Quiet Formaldehyde right here. When you're done, just place the remote. It shows you how to place it back on there like that. Pretty impressive.